Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we decode the corporate world. Today we're diving into a report from Noble Corporation. It seems like some board members are saying goodbye, but don't worry, it's not as dramatic as a boardroom brawl. We'll see what this leadership shuffle means for the company. This report is a current report, also known as an 8K, and it was filed because some important things happened that the company needs to tell its investors about right away. The earliest event reported happened in March of 2025, so this is pretty fresh news. Noble Corporation is a company that operates drilling rigs. These are big machines that are used to drill for oil and gas, mostly in the ocean. The company is officially based in England and Wales. Noble Corporation has different types of securities, which are ways for people to invest in the company. They have ordinary shares, which are like regular stock, and they also have warrants. Warrants give the holder the right to buy shares at a certain price in the future. These securities are traded on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol NY for the ordinary shares and NEWSA for the warrants. Now let's get to the main event, the departure of some board members. Basically, two members of the board of directors, Mr. Alistair Maxwell and Ms. Anne Pickard, have decided that they won't be running for re-election at the next annual general meeting. This means they're stepping down. Their time on the board will end when the 2025 annual general meeting is over. Once they're gone, the board will shrink from 9 members to 7 members. The company specifically states that their decision to leave isn't because they disagree with anything the company is doing, so it seems like a peaceful and planned departure. The company thanked them for their hard work and dedication, saying they were a big help in guiding the company's strategy, especially with things like buying other companies and giving money back to shareholders. Shareholders are people that own stocks of the company. The report also mentions exhibits, specifically Exhibit 104. This is a technical file that contains data in a format called XBRL, which is used for financial reporting. It helps computers read and understand the financial information in the report. So what's the big picture here? 2 board members are leaving Noble Corporation, but it seems like a planned and amicable departure. The company is thanking them for their service and moving forward with a slightly smaller board. Now let's zoom out and look at what this might mean for Noble Corporation. First, the departure of board members always raises questions. While the company says it was a smooth transition, investors might wonder if there's more to the story. Was there some kind of internal pressure? Are these directors seeing something that others aren't? It's hard to say for sure, but it's something to keep in mind. Second, the company is losing some experience and expertise from its board. Mr. Maxwell and Ms. Pickard have been involved in some major decisions for Noble Corporation, so their departure could have an impact on future strategy. The company will need to make sure it has the right people in place to fill the void. Third, this change comes at a time when the oil and gas industry is facing a lot of challenges. Prices are volatile, there's increasing pressure to reduce carbon emissions, and there's a lot of competition in the drilling market. Noble Corporation needs to navigate these challenges effectively to stay competitive. Overall, Noble Corporation seems to be in a decent position. The company has a solid track record and it's been working to return money to shareholders. However, the departure of these board members and the challenges facing the industry could create some uncertainty in the near future. Investors should keep a close eye on how Noble Corporation adapts to these changes. Look for signs that the company is effectively managing its strategy, filling the leadership gap and navigating the challenges in the oil and gas market. Thanks for tuning in to Corporate Decoder. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, comment and subscribe for more insights into the corporate world. What do you think about the company or what should we do next? Leave us a comment.